Hello and welcome back to another video. In this video, we will discuss about what is sampling, why do we need sampling, and what are two major types of sampling. Let us understand what is population and sample first. So population is basically the total number of people or elements or things that we are interested to study. This could be, let's say, India. So, India is your population or the area of interest to be studied. And sample is a part of population which is representative of the entire population. Let's say you pick up a city which will represent the characteristics of India. So it will be a part of population and will represent India. So sampling can be defined as a technique of selecting a suitable sample in such a way that it is representative of the population. Now let us understand why do we actually need sampling. Sampling is important because covering the entire population is not feasible or practical. Also, the cost and time which is associated with investigating the entire population can be too much. And the data that we will collect from the entire population is very hard to handle. Thus, sampling plays a very important role when we are trying to study any characteristics of population. Now let us discuss what is probability sampling and non-probability sampling. In probability sampling, in probability sampling, every element of the population will have equal chance of getting selected. And whenever we pick a sample, it is absolutely random and there is no bias. However, when it comes to non-probability sampling, each element does not have a equal chance of getting selected. There is always some bias. And the sample is selected on the basis of subjective judgment of the researcher. So, it is biased by so there is always a bias which is because of the subjective judgment or the purpose of the researcher. We will understand this in more details when we discuss various types of sampling that fall under probability sampling and non-probability sampling.